So what's up, people? What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Oh, driving on the highway right now. We're heading over to a car meet. Got people with me, chops in the back, chin beside me. You know, heading over to a car meet. We're gonna check it out, see what's happening. Oh, let me turn this music down. Don't want to get copyrighted, you know what I mean? Yeah, I'll pick up the camera as soon as we get there. Active now. Active now. Alright, people, so yeah, we made it. Oh, you guys already know me and the Porsche. Woo-wee. I have to watch where I'm going before I run into a pole. Before I run into a pole, but here we are. Yeah, we made it. We're gonna take a nice little drive around first before we walk around. Crazy. Sick. Oh, this is nice. That's crazy. Alright, guys, I'm gonna park up, see if I can find a spot. And then we'll take a walk around. It's a nice little turnout tonight. There is no trucks, bro. I'm telling you. That's why I gotta do my truck up. I have to. But yeah, let me park up. Ooh, look at this Infiniti. That's to the floor. Both of them. Oh man. Alright, let me park up, like I said. I already know why. But it's, yeah, it's not that, it's alright. That's sick. What do you mean? This is clean. That's clean. NTL's crazy. Oh my goodness. Hey yo. Hot chop. Damn. Beautiful. Beautiful. Well, which one are you guys taking? Which one are you taking? White one or the blue one? White one's the same. Yeah, this one's sick. But you know, babe, I'll go check out the Porsche. Yeah. Damn. That's sick too. Yeah, that one's yours. You like the older one too? Ooh. Yo, bro, I know you see it. I caught this one just in time. Ah, I remember him. Remember him? We have him in the vlog already. Yeah.
With the bender.
Is that what his bender 1001, right? What do I want to see? Yeah, that's talk. I don't even want to have my back down to do that. Did he have different wheels on it before, or was it the same? It was the same, right? I'm waiting for him. I'm waiting for him to take off. He's about to take off soon. The Mustang Mach 2. You know how long? Gone in 60 seconds? Maybe, I don't know that Mustang. That's the body of it right there. Yo, she's gorgeous. I'm not gonna wait that long though. Chill, Chopper just having so much fun. Yeah, that's on the floor for real. Oh my goodness, what do you think, bag or static? You think so? You think so? Yeah, I think it is bagged. I think the gauge is right there. I think you can see the gauge like right there. So you see the light? Look. You see right there? Where his cigarette lighter should be? There's a little light. Nuts too. It's a lot of work. A lot of work. BMW M2. BMW M2, come. Yeah. Different emblem. More like the German emblem. So you get from Germany and stuff like that. I see another car I really fell in love with. I will walk over there. That's just wild. Oh, sorry for the music. Sorry for the music. I might get copyrighted. Right? This right here is you. Ooh, next beside the RX-7. Oh, why are you guys doing this to me? Oh man, I had to take a picture. You guys see it? Oh, that's gorgeous. Subaru. But it's like the rally one because it has like the fenders. And this is fucking iconic right here too. RX-7. Iconic. This is sick. Nissan trucks neat. Yo, this is wicked for real. Yeah, that's wicked. What is it, like a Nissan, like a Datsun or something like that? I think. Standard. Yeah, Datsun. Yeah, this is neat. This is. How's it going, guys? What's up? What's up? Yo, they got some neat cars out here tonight. This right here is crazy. They helped me out. S14 was a cookie, I think. What they call it? Watch your back. Someone's going by. Did you drive this?
No.
Nah? Miata? You see the paint? A little sparkly. Subaru. This is clean too. This is to the ground. Look at this. Damn. Where'd Chop go? I don't even know where he disappeared to. Supra, the new Supra.
Oh, I'm not there, man. They're not gonna see me.
Wait, what are you doing?
I never come to school.
Hold on, Bob. You know this.
This is to the ground.
I've been on one side.
I can't go over here with this guy playing music like this.
I'll play it out.
That's clean. Put a cannon on that. Holy. Yeah. Oh man. This one's dope. Yeah, this one's sick. You like that one?
Yeah.
Ooh. You like the lights? Yeah. Sick. Oh man, they just shut check this out real quick. Beamer, sick. Lexus, GS is looking sick. This is kind of crazy right here. Chop! Cameras on cameras. Yeah, this one's crazy. Oh! I can't play it on the vlog, yo. I can't play it on the vlog. Beamer's stupid. White guts. I know, right? Yo, oh man, this guy just playing mad music now, so I don't even know if I can record. But sorry guys, probably can't record right now. And it's dark outside. Pretty dark out. So you can't even see nothing. But mark my words, some pretty nice cars out here. Like this baby blue Lexus is sick. Toyota. Oh, I just got bugs in my face and that guy smells. You smell that, right? Oh my gosh. Some people just need to work on their BO, honestly. But like I was saying, oh, this is pretty neat. This is Nissan. I forgot what this is called. But this is pretty neat. Oh, Mazda 6 or something like that. Speed 6 or something like that. Old school. S2000. Is that electric? Whack. Nice color. Yeah, this is what I was looking at. Look how low this is. This is to the ground. Damn. Carbon fiber. Got the blue one. The blue one's to the floor too. I like the setup on the blue one. But the other one's sick too. There's no stance on the other one? There's a little stance on this. This is a nice stance. It's not that bad. Oh, this one's tucked. Yeah, he's tucking. Yeah. That's that real old school look, that tuck look. Look at that lights on this Beamer just going off. Dang. We might just take off, guys. It's getting really dark out to where you can't even see nothing. Like this R32 sitting right here just in the cut, looking beautiful. Look at this. Oh, I wish I came early. Oh, if you guys could see this, chat, if you guys could see this. This is nuts. Oh my gosh. Carbon fiber everywhere. Yeah, this is pretty sick. That's pretty sick. Come, Sexy. Yeah, we're gonna call it a night. Got Onyx parked up way over there. Don't worry, she gonna get her work done. But yeah, this is sick too. I wish I came a little bit earlier so you can see the light, but that's what it is, you chat. This is a really good car meet. I think it was Markham meets. Markham meets. I'll leave a description down below. Location, but good job, guys. Wicked job. Pristine Works out. Thank you guys for subscribing. Please subscribe, like, do all that jazz. This is sick right here. Oh, that's nice.